Yeah. Hi, this is Michael, the guy behind TestFast. So today I'm gonna introduce you to a bunch of electrical tools that we added to our website in order to make your job easier. Again, there's no sign up. Just use them as they are. The one that we're gonna discuss about today would be the cable size calculator. Handy one if you ask me, if you're planning for, let's say, carton sheds power supply or anything like that. Apart from this one, I'm just gonna go through what else do we have before doing a deep dive. So we have the max ZX calculator. There's the observation builder, which basically is our observation engine, if you can call it like that, where you just add a bunch of notes from your site and we'll just convert it into BS7671 observations. Maximum demand calculator. Personally, I love this because there's no guessing. You just add your circuits, add the amperage per circuit or the watts, and it will give you like the maximum fuse size that you need to use and maximum demand. PFC calculator, pretty basic, and the ring continuity calculator. I tend to use this every day just to check if my rings are balanced and everything is okay. But yeah, today we're just gonna go through the SWA cable size calculator. So it's gonna go into this one. So as I said, we're gonna run a quick scenario for this one, and we're gonna go through a couple of options. Let's say that we have the garden shed that we discussed about. We're gonna take Armoured cable. Let's say if it's like 32 amps, since we'll probably have like a socket, 45 meters in terms of length. Voltage, single phase, and for voltage drop, which can put just 5%. Correction factors, this would be if, let's say, you want to install the cable in a factory, or you want to, let's say, group the cable with some other Armoured cables. And that's particularly useful in our case just now. But yeah, let's go on to the results sections. So 6mm cable, maximum current capacity. So you have a bit of wiggle room with this one. And the cable gland, which again I think is quite handy. I always tend to go back to the reference chart or anything like that. Just tell me the size of a cable gland, and the voltage drop 495 around like 11 volts, which is quite. Let's go one step further and also include the adiabatic check. So for this one, we're going to put the prospective fault current at 1.5 kiloamps. We're going to leave the disconnection time at 0.4 seconds for socket outlets. And we can look at the adiabatic check. So what this does, it will just make sure that your earthing is suitable. So for example, if we have like a 4-core cable and we go just with the standard that we get, that might not be enough. So this proves that you actually need to connect your armor or a cable just to make sure that you're like well protected, So yeah, that's about it. Again, this is completely free, no email, no sign up, no login, just bookmark it on your phone and use it as you want. Yeah, you got the link in the description. Cool, thanks.